Right, so we're just going to take this front subframe out of this Corsa. This one's quite rusty and that, so better safe than sorry. We'll just chuck a new one in there because I'll probably look at this car for paste at some point. It's up on the ramp already. Going to kick the wheels and that off it now and just get cracking. We'll probably just time lapse the rest of it. There's our freshly completed brand new lower arms with Black Series poly bushes in them, the adjustable caster. I'll get the camera set up and we'll get cracking. Packaged. Like Christmas. quickly show you. There's some little access holes in the back. Use access through the back there to undo the bolts on the bracket. Just go drop these nasty old bolts back to Chris and he can clean them up, and we'll crack on from there. Unfortunately, the GoPro battery died whilst we were doing this, but the anti-roll bar is now onto the new subframe. You can see in there, poly bush is in. It's just loose at the minute. We're going to get it up there, fitted up, and then we'll get the lower arms on and tighten everything up when we're done. So we'll just crack on and we'll probably time lapse it from here. There we go. Right, sorry, GoPro battery died. Nearly there now.
We fucked it. We're terrible.
Chris is just lifting up the exhaust, and then we've got the... You're going to put your fresh brace on there as well? Huh? You're putting your fresh brace on there as well, you're going to leave
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, it's in the van, yeah?
Yeah, it should be in the van somewhere.
Ooh, shiny stuff.
Shiny stuff. What the fuck am I 22 mil fan? So finally got all the poly bushes, lower arms in, new subframe. He's just gone to go get the support brace that goes across here. He wants to put a shiny part on it. But there we go. Nice and simple job done. Changed because obviously it's rotten. I don't know how this came from a garage like that and said it's fine, but clearly not.
Right, so we have this new little brace, quite a nice little bit of kit. It's going to go on in place of the horrible rusty one. We just didn't bother putting it on until we've changed the subframe because it'd only have to come off again. But here it is. Obviously the brakes and that will be done soon. I think Chris has already run under the car and had a brief discussion about what we've done so far. Once we've got this brace on, we'll have a quick walk under there and show you how it all looks. Yeah, but without the brace, the brace makes all the difference.
Oh, is that what we're going for?
Yeah.
Brace makes all the different things.
I should have painted this blue whilst it was off.
Oh, shouldn't I? She's tiny now, that mate.
Cool, snip them up.
Where's the socket for that? We're all getting fucking confused here. Too many fingers in the pie, mate. You got the right size?
Yeah. No, you can do. It's right for these back ones. No, maybe it's 16. That's a 17.
16. Well, this is 17, mate.
17. Yep.
That's too big, mate.
Or 17. 16 does fit. Yeah, they're definitely fine. The other ones have got
What? Which one's the blue one?
fan on. I think it's the same.
Oh, 16.
Beautiful. To be fair, including pushing the bushes and stuff, it probably has only been about 2 hours, 2.5 hours work.
I've got the brace on the wrong way.
Maybe 3 hours, what, upside down?
No, other way around. It's got a notch on it, innit? So it doesn't bounce on that. My bad.
Easily done.
Easily
Especially
done.
when you're getting excited towards the end and you want to
know, right?
just get it fucking done.
Yeah, look, that's better. The notch is in the right place now.
Much better, yeah. Quite clear. No, you've put it. Now it's the right way around. It's obvious. So there you go. Nice, shiny, brand new subframe. Looks good in there with the new brace. We've got the Black Series poly bushes in there. Adjustable caster. At the minute, we haven't tracked it, and obviously it's had new bushes, new subframe and new suspension, so that will be one of our important jobs that we need to get done before we take it out on the road. But as you probably have figured out by now, this is not going to be back on the road for quite a little while yet. And it should look drastically different by the time it's driving around on the road, but we're chipping away whenever we get time, so we're so blooming busy, you know, flat out between our day jobs, filming, company work, you know, business work for ourselves, and also all the editing and everything too. We do have a lot to do, and we're both full-time fathers and whatnot too, just to give us more to think about. So we're doing what we can when we can, but yeah, finally making some viable progress. It's starting to look very, very nice and clean under here and new. So now this front end suspension work's done, probably the next video you will see will be the rear arm coming out, and we'll be changing these horrible bushes in here. That's going to be good fun, isn't it, Chris? You're really looking forward to that one.
I think they'll come out pretty easy to do.
Yeah, I don't think they'll be too bad. They're just big and chunky, but not too many bolts to undo. And
the problem is, mate,
we'll have to see whether or not we're going to have to do it in situ, or whether we're literally going to have to drop the whole entire beam out, in which case we'll probably do all the rear brakes and everything at the same time as well, just so we can move the thing around. Can't put old brakes back on it, can we, Chris?
No, they're all sitting in the car anyway.
Yeah, that's it, they're all sat there in the van ready to do. But again, it's just one of those things where we're just doing it where we can find the time. But either way, very much appreciate you guys watching. Hope you're enjoying it. Stay tuned, 'cause there's lots more to go, including the bodywork stuff. And if you are enjoying it, please share, tell your friends, hit that like button and subscribe. Thanks very much. We'll see you next time.